Hey guys, it's PMHK here, and it's kind of not obviously because I've been missing this week, but I have something that I wanted to show you guys as usual. So I received in a mail yesterday, to be exactly, the Fitbit Versa. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing, and I'm going to be giving you guys my first impressions of the smartwatch. Now, Fitbit joined forces with Pebble, or with some of the staff of Pebble. Pebble, if you don't know, it's also a smartwatch company that used to exist. They used to make the Pebble watches, but they had to close down, and some of the staff went to Fitbit. But since the staff actually joined Fitbit, this is the actual first device that kind of resembles Pebble watches a little bit. So let's get inside the package. And inside the package, we not only have a Pebble watch, a Fitbit Versa, but we also have a Chromecast. This Chromecast is for the kitchen. I already have one in the kitchen, but I have another room that needs a Chromecast. This is where this one is gonna go. But what we're here for exactly is for this guy. This is the Fitbit Versa. This is the special edition. This is supposed to come with Fitbit Pay, if the name is correct, and it also comes with a special band. And so in the box we have includes large and small bands, small wristband, and yeah, let's get inside and see what it looks like, and give you guys a quick first impression of the actual device. So let me put the knife aside, and in the box we have a manual, a guide for you to start up your device. This is the Fitbit Versa, and I have a couple of pictures inside it, and obviously we have the guidance itself, guiding you how to charge and how to power your actual device. So next up we also have the band itself. I think this is the extra large and small bands. Oh, it's okay. So it also comes with, apart from the special band that it comes with, this is like a nylon, it's kind of a material kind of band, and this is actually the reason of this model. Other models will only come with the plastic bands, but this one comes with this special nylon. I don't know if I'm saying it correct, but let me just see if it actually says which kind of band this is, and it doesn't say, it just says a special edition Fitbit Versa. So it comes with extra bands for you to change if the ones that are actually in the watch are small or bigger for you. So it will come with a plastic band for you to adjust. This is the large, medium and large, and these ones here are small and medium bands. So what else is in the box? You also have the power cable. This is where you're going to charge the actual device, and the device itself. That's all you're going to get in the box. This is the device itself, which already happens to be on. Yeah, the device seems to be on. So let's peel the plastic off. Okay, let me get closer. I'm removing the plastic actually, and it's a bit hard. Okay, the plastic is off, and yeah, this is the device. So it says, actually has many languages, at least it has a little bit of juice. So let's have a quick comparisons with old Pebble Steel, which is also a smartwatch, and the Apple Watch. So hand in hand, you can see it's bit the same size, and actually still the same design, a little bit of the same design. It also has a heart rate monitor behind, and it has 3 buttons, unlike the Apple Watch, which only has the 1 button and the dialing crown here. And compared to the Pebble Watch, this is the Pebble Steel. This is one of the first Pebble watches that Pebble actually made. It also has similar buttons, as you guys can see, but one has 3 and the other one has 4. So the Pebble has 3 buttons, 1, 2, 3. The Pebble has 4 buttons, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the Fitbit has 3 buttons. And in terms of weight, it's actually quite light, I must say. It's lighter than the Apple Watch. this is the Apple Watch 1. This is the Series 1, Series 700. This is the steel version, and this one is a bit heavy. And this is this one here is the aluminum version. The aluminum version is much lighter. So I'm gonna be testing this guy out for a couple of weeks, 1 or 2 weeks, and then I'm gonna give you guys my feedback on it and my impressions on the watch. This is what just an unboxing and initial impression on the watch, and I'll come back with another video for me to tell you guys exactly how the Fitbit Versa performs. So yeah, if you guys already have Fitbit, make sure you leave a comment down below if you're planning to get the Fitbit Versa. Also leave a comment below, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.